Hi kids, welcome to Learn Kiddos.
Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Let's learn about some amazing truck varieties. Are you ready? Let's begin. Dump truck. A dump truck carries sand, soil, and stones. The container lifts to unload materials easily. Garbage truck. A garbage truck collects waste from homes and streets. It keeps cities clean. Fire truck. A fire truck helps firefighters put out fires. It saves lives and buildings. Cement mixer truck. A cement mixer truck mixes cement, sand, and water. It has a rotating drum. Tow truck. A tow truck pulls broken or damaged vehicles. It uses a hook or lift system. Pickup truck. A pickup truck is a small truck with an open back. It carries goods and tools. Flatbed truck. A flatbed truck has a flat open platform. It carries large and heavy items. Tanker truck. A tanker truck carries liquids like milk or fuel. It is used on roads and highways. Box truck. A box truck has a closed box-shaped cargo area. It is used for deliveries. Delivery truck. A delivery truck carries packages to homes and shops. It helps people get their orders. Refrigerated truck. A refrigerated truck keeps goods cold. It carries food like fruits, vegetables, and ice cream. Semitrailer truck. A semi-trailer truck is a big truck with a trailer. It carries heavy loads over long distances. Logging truck. A logging truck carries long tree logs. It is used in forests to transport timber. Car carrier truck. A car carrier truck transports cars. It has 2 levels for more vehicles and it delivers cars to showroom. Monster truck. A monster truck has very big tires. It is used for shows and racing. Forklift truck. A forklift truck lifts heavy boxes. It moves goods easily within warehouse. Utility truck. A utility truck is used for repair work. It carries tools and equipment. Armored truck. An armored truck carries money and valuables. It is very strong and secure. Crane truck. A crane truck has a crane attached. It is used in constructions to lift heavy objects. Snow plow truck. A snow plow truck clears snow from roads. It is used in cold countries. Bucket truck. A bucket truck has a lift with a basket. Workers stand in the basket. It lifts them to high places. Fuel tanker truck. A fuel tanker truck carries petrol or diesel. It delivers fuel to stations. Street sweeper truck. A street sweeper truck cleans roads. It has brushes and vacuum to remove dust and dirt. Food truck. A food truck is a vehicle where people cook and sell food. It can move to different places to sell food. Ice cream truck. An ice cream truck is a vehicle that sells ice cream and frozen treats. Kids and families buy ice cream from it on the street. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.